Hello, I'm Celeste, and I'm here just to show off my plugin called Panel Address Override. So the reason I made Panel Address Override was mainly because the way that I have Pterodactyl set up is a bit confusing, and it'll be easier if instead of me telling my clients what IP to use, that I just update it for them. It's currently free online because I thought this would be a useful resource for others, but let me just show you guys how it works real quick. So first, I'm expecting you guys to use Blueprint because, Blueprint is amazing. If you're not using Blueprint, you're missing out. Install Blueprint right now. It's literally just blueprint.zip. And then you can just learn it here. You can also learn how to make your own extensions. It's amazing. But that's enough LARPing. Panel address override is very simple. All you do is you put in the IP of your actual service. And I let you do it for SFTP and databases. I'm assuming that for the actual server IP, you just change the allocation to like what actually works. So that's what the client sees. But if you guys want that feature where you just change that as well, just comment down below. Well, basically, put in any website you want. So let's do super cool guy, super not cool guy. So let's just save these changes. And then it's instant. So now if your client ever goes to the page, and they go to settings, now we're gonna seeing the SFTP, super cool guy, and then the port. And then if they go to their databases, now we're gonna see super not cool guy. And then if you want, just an explanation how it works, I have it where the extension modifies the PHP and makes its own little database where it saves your values, and instead of using Pterodactyl's values in its database or API, it will just use the ones you put here. So all I did was literally just make it say, hey, instead of giving the Pterodactyl address, give it the panel override address. I hope that helps. And yeah, thank you for checking it out. Hey, so if you have any help with anything, you can always just contact me on Discord. I'm gonna leave a screenshot right here of my information. And bye bye.